Welcome to the third of 8 videos for today. Bruins 4, Hurricanes 3, Game 4, 3-1 Boston. This game. First period, Williams gets his first from Gardner and Jacek at 9:17 in the first period. Okay. Second period, Martinuk gets his second from Aho at 12:08 in the second period. Okay. Still nothing. Going into the third, Carolina. I was like, okay, if they allow 2 goals and we get one at the end, I wouldn't be too mad. But they got more than that. DeBrusque gets his second from Clifton and Kasha at 7:26 in the third period. That's about the time where Jordan Stahl gets hit by McAvoy in the boards, and his head goes back and swinging, and he's out of the game. Clifton gets his first from Wagner and Nordstrom at 10:10 in the third period, right after that hit happened. I was like, okay, it's 2-2. I was doing videos at that point. DeBrusque got his third, but Marchand gets his third from Krug at 11:40 in the third period. It is 3-2 Boston. Legit. A minute. Less than a minute. No, a minute and 30. A minute and 30 after the Clifton one went in. Marchand scores. It's like, okay, 3-2, we can get back into it. Maybe an empty net. Extra attacker goal. DeBrusque scores his third from Kasha and Krejci at 14:17 in the third period. It's 2-4 Boston. At that point in time, I'm livid. I come downstairs after doing the 5 videos. I think I did 5, maybe 4. This is Monday's games. So, no, this wasn't yesterday, that was the day before. I'd come downstairs, floss my teeth, and do my other stuff. Tanner Vinen scores with the empty net. I was like, okay. Teravainen, his third from Shea and Hamilton, 8:33 in the third period. Maybe we can do this. No. Halak saved 16 out of 19. We got 2 shots in the third period. 2. And 1 went in. Reimer saved 29 out of 33. Hits were 36-37 in favor of Carolina. Shots were 33 of 19 in favor of Boston. Power play opportunities. Carolina went 0 for 1 and Boston went 0 for 3. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you want to subscribe and see more content like this, hit that subscribe button. If you want to share this channel with everyone, do so, please. And everything. Please do so. As well as, please check in the description below for all my social media. Stay safe out there, and if you stop by, thank you. And I'm going to the 4th of 8.